Every HTML element you see on a web page isn't just a simple rectangle. It's actually a box with 4 distinct layers that control how it looks and spaces itself from other elements. Let's start from the inside. The innermost layer is the content area. This is where your actual text, images, or other element content lives. It's the core of your box. Surrounding the content is padding. Padding creates breathing room between your content and the next layer outward. Think of it as internal spacing that pushes the content away from its container's edges. Next comes the border. This is the visible line that wraps around your padding and content. You can make it thick, thin, dashed, or solid. And finally, the outermost layer is the margin. Margin is external spacing that separates your element from its neighbors. It creates distance between different boxes on the page. So remember the order. Content in the center, then padding wrapping the content, then border wrapping the padding, and margin wrapping everything as the outermost layer. Each layer builds on the previous one, moving from inside to outside. Content, padding, border, margin. Here's how you'd control all 4 parts in CSS. You set width and height for content, padding for internal space, border for the visible outline, and margin for external spacing. These 4 properties give you complete control over your elements box. Master the box model. Content, padding, border, margin. And you'll understand how every element on the web is sized and spaced. Practice this with dev tools and you'll level up your CSS skills fast. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.